Hey, welcome to the Explainer. So, if you're a creator, you know the feeling, right? You're pouring your heart into making amazing stuff, but that big platform paycheck, it feels like it's a million miles away. Well, today, we're diving into a guide that's all about earning income on your terms, and you can start, well, right now. Does this feel a little too familiar? You've got all the passion in the world. You're putting in the work, but your wallet? Kinda empty? You look at those monetization goals on YouTube or TikTok, thousands of subscribers, millions of views, and honestly, it can just feel impossible. It's a massive hurdle for sure, but it doesn't have to be a total roadblock. So let's start with section 1, the monetization hurdle. We're going to break down the core challenge that pretty much every creator faces. Okay, so here it is, the two paths laid out side by side. On the one hand, you've got the platforms game. These super high thresholds you have to hit, a bunch of complex rules that seem to change all the time, and at the end of the day, they control everything. But then, look at the other side. That's a path you control. One you can start walking down today, using simple links to build your very own income stream. Which brings us to section 2, beyond platform paychecks. So what is this big solution we're talking about?
It's called affiliate marketing. And the idea is actually really simple. Instead of just waiting around for a platform to decide to pay you, you partner up directly with brands. You find a product you genuinely love, you share a special link they give you, and then you earn a cut every time someone in your audience buys through that link. It's a direct connection between you, the brand, and the people who trust you.
And listen, this part is the real game changer. Don't think of this as some end goal strategy you use after you've made it. No. The whole point is that it's a fantastic way to bring in some cash while you're still building your audience. You're earning and growing at the exact same time.
So section 3, your affiliate action plan. Okay, let's say you're in. You're thinking, how do I actually do this? It's way easier than you think. Let's get you going.
It honestly just boils down to these 3 simple steps. Find products you like, get your special link, and share it with your audience. That's pretty much the whole thing. So let's break that down just a little bit. Step 1 is absolutely the most important one: authenticity. Don't just go hunting for the biggest commission check. Start with the stuff you already use and genuinely love. Your audience follows you for your taste, for your opinion. Recommending something you're actually passionate about isn't selling out. It's just providing real value. Step 2 is where the magic happens. You get your unique link. Once you partner up with a brand, they'll give you this special URL. Think of it like your own personal code. It tracks every single click and every purchase that comes from your content. It's how you get credit for the sales you drive. And finally, step 3. Just share it. You can put the link in your video descriptions, in your bio, wherever it feels natural and helpful. This whole system works because of one thing: the trust you've already built with your audience. The link is just a tool. That trust is the real asset here. Okay, on to section 4, a word of caution. Now, before you race off to sign up for everything, let's just take a breath and talk about having some realistic expectations. And let's be super clear about this. Just like the source material is, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a real strategy, not a winning lottery ticket. You have to be patient. You're not going to make a ton of money in a couple of days. That's just not how it works. This is all about planting seeds for the long term, not trying to harvest a massive windfall overnight. So, if it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, then what is it? Well, it's a way to build a steady side income. It's also a huge motivator. That first dollar you earn proves your work has real value. It's a business you build on trust, not just empty metrics. And yeah, it does take time and effort, but it's effort you're putting into your own brand, not just building up someone else's platform.
All right, let's wrap this up. Section 5, monetize on your terms. Let's bring this all together and talk about what it really means to take back control.
And honestly, this is the ultimate prize. Earning even just a little bit of money on your own terms, it frees you. It frees you from that constant pressure of the algorithm. You know? It quiets that nagging voice in your head that's always asking, is this going to get enough views? It just gives you the breathing room to focus on what you actually love to do.
This quote really says it all, doesn't it? Monetize your creations on your own terms. It's about your timeline, your product choices, your voice. It's about building a sustainable business around your creativity, not the other way around. So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. Instead of just creating and hoping for the best, what if your next creation could actually start to fund itself? What if you could start earning today?
If you're eager to expand your knowledge on this subject, I've included a link in the description for further reading. It's a great opportunity to explore more about what we've discussed and gain a new perspective. Thank you for watching the entire video. Have a great day.